everyone! So in this video I'm going to be talking about one part of the integumentary system, which is the nails. Now remember, there are three parts of the system: the skin, the hair, and the nails. I've already made videos about the skin and the hair, so feel free to check those out. But in this video we're going to be talking about the composition and the structure of the nails. Also, this channel is part of a nonprofit organization called One World, One Nation that strives to support children globally who lack educational resources or are just looking for more educational resources. By providing these students with an extended learning platform, they can also explore their interests, build on their passions, and find a path to a career. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video to support our initiative. The information for our organization is in the description box below, and if you're looking to become part of this organization, as in you want to become a student for free, then you can register through that website. So let's get into the video. So the cellular composition of the nails. Like the other parts of the integumentary system, the nails are mostly made up of dead keratin cells, which provides the toughness and the strength of the nails. Now, the cells that die here become heavily keratinized, which basically means that they become extra hard. So as for the fingertip, which your nail rests on, this is composed of adipose tissue, or basically fat. So the fingertip is composed of fat, whereas the actual nail of your finger is composed of heavily keratinized cells, which basically accounts for all the toughness and strength that your nails have. Okay, now that we have talked about the cells that make up the nail, let's move into the bulk of the information: the structure of the nail and the fingertip. Now, when first looking at this picture, the thing that stands out most is not the nail itself, but actually the yellow of the fingertip. This is the adipose tissue, or the fat that we've previously discussed. The next thing that you might see is the bone of the phalange, or the fingertip bone, and the outer coating of the bone is called periosteum. And this is very important, the periosteum, because it basically protects the bone, and it's especially important for the fingertip because we grasp and apply a lot of pressure to our fingers, so making sure that the bone has a hard coating is important so that we don't fracture or crack our bones in our fingertips. Also, on the bone of the fingertip, there are two tendons visible. These tendons basically help with securing the muscles of the finger to the bone. One of these is the flexor tendon, and this is located on the bottom, and the other one is the extender tendon, and this is on the top. Now moving on to what is on top of the fingertip, the nail itself. So you might notice that new layer of cells just below the nail. This is called the sterile matrix, or the nail bed. This sterile matrix, or the nail bed, is basically where all the new and alive cells are made, and this matrix is constantly creating new cells, and all the cells that are dying or that are kind of old are basically pushed upward to create the actual nail itself. So the next part of your nail is the white crescent shape at the bottom of your nail. Well, this is actually called the lunula, and is where there's little blood supply, and that's why it kind of appears like a whitish color. Another structure is the dorsal roof and the ventral floor. These refer to the nail that is inside of the skin, and that's overlapping the visible nail, so you can't really see it. The dorsal roof basically creates the shine of the nail, and the ventral floor basically will create the bottom of your nail. The whole nail itself is actually called the nail body. So next is the hyponychium, and this is basically the skin that you see when you cut your nails, and it's basically kind of hard and cornified skin, and it functions to protect the nail bed at the very edge, so that when you are using your fingers or something and you're wearing away your skin, this hardened skin is basically protecting the new cells that are being created. Finally is the eponychium, and this is basically the cuticle, and it lies right above the dorsal roof of your finger. So that was it for this video. It was just a brief video about the composition of your nail and also the structure of your nail. Here are a couple of citations I used for the pictures of this video, and again, if you want more information for One World, One Nation, then please look at our website, which is linked down below in the description box. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. Bye!